I'll be client support manager. Today I'm going to be looking at how we take care of refurb and after sales, looking at a column skip coming in for inspection. When the concrete skip comes in, 5 stages. Strip it down after the assessment, making sure it's all ready. Gets jet washed down, makes it all cleaned, no mark, concrete, anything left on it. Parts and repairs, so any modifications that need to be made, make it good to go. Come down to stage 4, which is the spray booth, making it look as good as new or gleaming. And then the final stage, 5th stage, we look at applying decals, stickers. Before delivering back to the customer and back to site, final process is look at the visual inspection and then give it its final cert, make sure it's ready to go back out the door. When we pick up a refurbishment piece of equipment from site, what we can offer is our hire solution. So we could bring an equivalent piece of equipment to site, which would enable everyone to carry on, working to those deadlines so that no time is lost on site. Not only do we manufacture ourselves in-house, but we design the equipment. We can take care of all of the repairs and parts done because as the original equipment manufacturer, we supply all the original parts. It's all going to come direct from us and we can take care of it. So whether it is welds or extra bay alarms that needed to be done, it's all taken care of and all done in-house as per like for like, new for new. With our refurbishment process, what we're looking to deliver is a seamless experience, delivering a product back to the customer as good as new and ready to be used.